My name is Catalina Rodriguez. I'm originally from Los Angeles, California. When microblading came out, it was kind of like a new obsession. I found Kara. I invested in her doing my brows. Her technique, it just looks very natural. Doesn't have that overly structured shape. It's just simple, clean, and natural.
I'm Clara Toomey, and I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee. I discovered microblading, researched it, and decided that I wanted to be one of the first ones to bring it to Knoxville. She came highly recommended by a friend, and then once I kind of researched her and saw her work compared to some other microblading schools that I looked at, her work just looked more natural. What I noticed was each day I got better and better, and Kara was great.
I really have a passion for brows. I just feel like it's something really important that women don't know how to take care of. The more you can help women build their confidence, it's something really nice to do for each other. She's so detail-oriented. Her style really stands out. At first, I didn't really know what I was seeing. Like, I knew it was different and I knew it was better, but I didn't know why. So now after taking her class and learning her technique, it's really awesome that she developed it.
I'm Jocelyn Gomez, and I'm from San Antonio, Texas. I chose Kara simply by her Instagram pictures. I felt that her technique is something that I really wanted to represent in my own work. So, for instance, I had been searching for somebody for about 3 years to train me to do microblading, but I couldn't find the right person. Kara was the exact technique I was looking for. I feel that Kara did a great job of pulling out in us what we didn't know we had existing. So, for instance, I didn't know I would have a skill for microblading if she hadn't gone in there and just pulled it out by the roots. So she definitely helped me to embrace my mistakes, but then also at the same time cheer on my accomplishments. So I love that.